and welcome to Kerry's Wheel of the Year. Bit of a different one this time. As said last time, I did a bit of filming with a couple of friends and with Dave because it's the wassailing time of year. So I came over on, what day was it? I can't even remember. Friday? No. It's Friday tomorrow. I completely lost track of the days. No, I came over on Monday. The only sunny day that we'd had for a few days, and then it chucked it down and rain again. It's a bit sunnier today, so I've come over to do kind of a bit more stuff. But I thought I would show you a very simple little wassail ceremony that we did, that was to honour the fruit trees, to honour the land generally, and to encourage them to wake up with the spring and to give us buckets of fruit, and well, hopefully the land will be veg as well. So I'm going to show you that little image of us. Unfortunately, we didn't make the microphones properly, so you can't hear a lot of it. So I'll put subtitles up so that you can hear some of the see some of the words we're saying. But it was such a lovely thing to do, and I can't believe it's the first time I've ever done that on the allotment, to be honest. We first went round to Heidi's garden and wassailed her 3 apple trees, which was lovely, a couple of which have got mistletoe growing on them. Which is something I'd quite like to get going over here as well. I'd really love that. And then we came here, and we want to make this a traditional thing every year, where we come around just after Imbolc time, when the land really is starting to wake up, and we honour our land, our little bits of Eden, and give an offering and sing a song and have a little ritual. So I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, there's a magpie over there. How are you doing, Mr. Magpie? How's the family? Which is the traditional greeting for a magpie around these parts. So yeah, just going to be pottering around, enjoy the wassail, and I'll speak to you in a bit.
Don't pull.
Right there on the pear tree. Shall I do it?
Yeah.
You do it. So, a different bit of words. So on this lovely allotment, which is my pride and joy, like very much. Let's turn our thoughts to the earthly needs. Take a long, slow breath. Now turn our faces to the sky. The sun shining and the bird song. Let's take a long, slow breath. And turning our thoughts to the seas, the rivers and the streams that are the lifeblood of this land. Let us take a breath with the waters.
Oh, okay, so we gather in this place to honour and wake the trees and the allotment that sustain us with their sweet fruits. We wish them and those amongst us a very merry Wassail. Three Wassails.
Wassail!
Drinkhail!
Wassail!
Drinkhail!
Wassail!
Drinkhail!
Right, and after three, the chant. 1, 2, 3.
Here stands a jolly pear tree.
Stand fast root, bear well top.
Pray God send us a howling crop. Every twig, pears big. Every bough, pears now. Hats full, caps full, 5 bushel sacks full, and a little heap under the stairs. Holla boys, holla and blow the horn!
Take away the window.
And all the little fruit trees. And the little cherry tree. 2 trees. And the great
Wake up! Wake up!
Feel
the sun! Feel the sun!
The dogs are fighting up.
The dogs have joined in the
Put the
hullabaloo.
dogs up.
Right.
Okay, so now for the soda.
Don't mind if I do.
Present a bowl of cider and toast. Okay. So, do you want to do cider? Or look? We'll do toast. Just we do a little blessing on mix, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, blessings of growth, good fortune, and abundance. May this space feed us, hold us, and nurture us as we hold and nurture it. These are offerings, praying on thee to represent our lives.
So may it be.
So may it be. Right.
enjoy this tree.
And I might go round and put more on
Yeah.
different
I think we should
trees.
put more on different trees.
And a little
All
cherry
right, well,
tree.
let's take a wander
May
then.
you be abundant and healthy and fabulous. Accept our gifts. How about some Right then. Okay.
Do you want the rest of them?
So if you wanna just
Yeah.
put it on the ground would be all of the trees.
Singing.
Do you want to keep a rhythm? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
sing our little song going to include the cherry
Pitch
tree.
law.
There's a man singing this.
Oh, wassail, 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 we begin with sugar, plum and cinnamon and other spices in. With a wassail, wassail, a jolly wassail, and may joy come to you and to our wassail. Over here. We've wassailed all this day long and nothing we could find except an alpine swing and dear we left behind. With a wassail, a jolly wassail, and may joy come to you and to our wassail. We'll cut a toast all round the loaf and set it by the fire. We'll wassail bees and apple trees until your heart's desire. With a wassail, a jolly wassail, and may joy come to you and to our wassail. There we go, that one. We'll wave our silk and handkerchief upon a golden spear. We'll come no more a-wassailing until another year. With a wassail, a jolly wassail. And may joy come to you and to our wassail. Wassail!
Drinkhail!
So let's do that.
Indeed.
Right then.
Right, cups
Let's
of
drink some
plenty.
cider.
Oh,
That's important. That's the important bit.
Who's not got a cup?
I haven't got a cup.
Just a little tiny bit.
That bit? Yes, Susan.
Thank you.
Oh, you need a cup.
Yeah, you do.
Cheers.
The sparrows came back a minute ago. They're back again. They can do that.
There's a tiny bit left.
Like a bit of cider.
Don't waste it.
No, it's important.
Zoider.
Zoid.
Yeah, that's cool.
Driver. Does it make a driver? Go. Okay.
So, here we go.
So yes, may this little plot of land know happiness and joy and abundance, and know that we love it, and may life grow and feed us with our exchange of energies. So may it be.
So may it be.
So maybe. Wassail!
Wassail, Drinkhail!
Wassail!
Drinkhail!
Wassail!
Drinkhail!
Cheers!
Cheers.
important,
cider.
this bit.
This
It's
bit.
essential.
It is
This is
essential.
most very important. Very
Yeah.
important.
Oh, that hound is behind us.
Yes, the hound of Anu.
Oh, he's cute.
He is lovely.
Hello.
How he doesn't get out, I've no idea.
Hello, black dog.
Yes, Wassail!
Drinkhail. Oh, that's
Cheers,
fabulous.
all.
Cheers.
That feels
May
proper,
everybody's lives
Yeah.
be
Cheers.
fruitful.
And may yours, I wasn't there, but may yours do
Absolutely.
the same.
doesn't it? Yes.
Absolutely.
No.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I wonder how they'll do this year now. They were splendid last year.
Mm.
I literally, well, I ate so many apples.
It's a good one to do this one because it hasn't fruited in 2 years. Transplanted it last.
You transplanted it, it's doing well.
I transplanted it this time last year,
Okay, it's still doing well.
so it's doing all right. I think
Yeah.
it's doing better here. So hopefully it will enjoy the blessings.
I think you two should go and stand up at that corner and that corner. I should stand at this corner.